Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a very exciting review for you, as we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Dodge Ram vintage pickup. If you're a fan of trucks, muscle, and the combination of classic and modern design, then you're in for a treat. This particular model takes inspiration from the golden age of pickups, blending vintage style with cutting-edge tech and power. Let's start with the exterior. The first thing you'll notice is the striking design. The 2025 Dodge Ram vintage pickup carries that classic rugged look, with a bold front grille that stays true to the original Ram designs but with a more refined edge. The hood is a bit more sculpted, giving it an aggressive yet timeless vibe. The body is muscular, but it's smooth at the same time, with sharp lines that evoke that old-school, workhorse truck style, while still looking sleek and modern. The chrome accents around the grille, mirrors, and bumpers give it that vintage shine, making it stand out on the road without feeling too flashy. The paint options are stunning, and Dodge offers some throwback colors like a rich, deep red and a metallic olive green, but you can also get a more modern look with the standard metallic blacks and silvers. The wheels are large, 20-inch alloys, that look impressive and give it an even bolder stance. It's clear that Dodge put a lot of thought into merging classic charm with modern aesthetics to appeal to enthusiasts who want both a nod to history and the promise of future performance. Now, let's move inside and talk about the interior. The first thing you'll notice as soon as you open the door is how the cabin feels spacious, luxurious, and comfortable. Dodge really pulled out all the stops here. The seats are covered in a rich leather material, with a vintage stitching pattern that's reminiscent of older pickups, but the cushioning and support are pure modern comfort. There's a lot of room for both driver and passengers, and the layout is ergonomic, so you feel at ease the moment you sit down. The dashboard is a perfect balance between retro and tech. You've got analog-style dials for the speedometer and tachometer, but there's also a large, high-tech digital touchscreen in the center. This infotainment system runs the latest Uconnect software, which allows for seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and all the other perks you'd expect from a premium truck. The center console is wide and spacious, with cup holders and a convenient wireless charging pad, plus several USB ports to keep your devices powered up on the go. The vintage theme carries through with the use of wood accents on the dash and door panels, giving it that nostalgic, refined feel. Even though this is a 2025 model, the materials used inside the cabin look like something out of a much older, more rugged truck, but they're complemented with all the modern touches you could want. In terms of performance, this 2025 Dodge Ram vintage pickup doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it offers a few engine options, including a beefy V8 that delivers impressive power and torque, perfect for hauling and towing. It's got that deep, rumbling sound that makes it feel like a true muscle truck. The acceleration is smooth but quick, and you can feel the raw power when you hit the gas. On the road, the truck handles beautifully. It's sturdy and offers great feedback from the steering wheel, while the suspension system ensures that you get a comfortable ride even when you're driving on rougher terrain. Of course, it wouldn't be a Dodge Ram without impressive towing capacity, and this 2025 model lives up to that legacy. Whether you're pulling a trailer, boat, or hauling a heavy load, this truck can handle it with ease. On top of that, it's equipped with all the latest safety and driver assist features, such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, which makes maneuvering this beast a lot easier than you'd expect for a truck of this size. Fuel efficiency isn't the best in its class, but let's be honest, if you're buying a truck like this, you're more concerned about power and capability than miles per gallon. With that said, the hybrid option might be appealing to some, as it offers a balance between power and a slightly more efficient ride. Now, let's talk about the price. As you can imagine, the 2025 Dodge Ram vintage pickup isn't exactly cheap, but considering the combination of vintage appeal, modern performance, and luxury features, it's pretty reasonable for what you're getting. Pricing starts around $45,000 for the base model, which includes most of the essentials. The higher trims, with all the bells and whistles, can push the price closer to $60,000 or more. While it might be a bit on the higher end for a pickup, the combination of classic design and cutting-edge technology definitely adds to its value. To sum it all up, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup is a beautiful blend of past and present. It captures the spirit of the classic Ram trucks while providing all the modern luxuries, tech, and performance you could ask for. If you're looking for a truck that stands out on the road, has the muscle to back it up, and gives you that old-school charm with a modern twist, this might be the perfect ride for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this review. Leave your thoughts on the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Catch you next time.